Welcome to the ultimate showcase of the latest kitchen cabinet designs for 2024. Get ready to be amazed by the future of kitchen innovation as we unveil the hottest trends that will elevate your space to new heights. Let's dive in and transform your kitchen into a stylish haven. Hello everybody, and welcome back to HD Interiors. If you're a homeowner, interior design enthusiast, or just someone who loves staying on top of the latest trends, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top kitchen cabinet design trends for 2024. Kitchens are the heart of our homes, and cabinetry plays a crucial role in setting the tone and functionality of this essential space. In this video, we're going to explore some exciting new trends that are making waves this year. From sleek, minimalist designs to the integration of smart technology, there's something for everyone. We'll also look at how these trends can enhance the look and feel of your kitchen, making it not only more beautiful but also more practical and efficient. Whether you're planning a full kitchen renovation or just looking to update your current setup, these trends offer plenty of inspiration. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with one of the sleekest trends in kitchen design for 2024, slab front cabinets. These cabinets feature a smooth, flat front without any raised panels or intricate details. The result is a clean, minimalist look that seamlessly fits into modern and contemporary kitchen styles. Slab front cabinets are not only about aesthetics, they offer practical benefits as well. The smooth surface makes cleaning a breeze, as there are no grooves or moldings to trap dust and grime. This simplicity extends the modern vibe, making your kitchen look more spacious and uncluttered. Imagine walking into a kitchen where the cabinetry flows smoothly from floor to ceiling, with no interruptions. The continuous lines of slab front cabinets enhance the sense of order and calm. They are perfect for those who appreciate understated elegance and want their kitchen to exude a sense of calm and sophistication. Another great aspect of slab front cabinets is their versatility. They can be paired with various materials and finishes to create different looks. For a chic, industrial feel, you might opt for cabinets with a matte black finish. If you prefer something warmer, natural wood veneers can add a touch of organic beauty to your kitchen. Next, let's talk about the trend of warm and organic materials in kitchen design for 2024. This trend brings natural beauty into your home, creating a cozy and timeless feel. Warm-toned woods like walnut, cherry, oak, and mahogany are incredibly popular. These woods add rich textures and a welcoming atmosphere to kitchen cabinets. Imagine a kitchen with cherry wood cabinets paired with sleek countertops and modern appliances. The natural grain patterns make each piece unique and add character to the space. Sustainability is also a key aspect of this trend. Many are opting for eco-friendly materials like recycled wood and bamboo, which are beautiful and reduce environmental impact. Natural stone countertops, like granite or marble, and metal accents in copper or brass enhance the organic feel and add a touch of luxury. Using warm and organic materials transforms your kitchen into a warm and inviting space. These elements work together to create a stylish, sustainable, and cozy kitchen. Next, let's explore the calming trend of soft paint colors in kitchen design for 2024. These hues bring a touch of tranquility and nature into your space. Popular shades include dusty greens, serene blues, terracotta, and creamy whites. These colors, inspired by nature, create a peaceful and inviting atmosphere. Imagine your kitchen cabinets or walls painted in a gentle sage green or a soothing sky blue. These tones evoke the calming effect of nature, making your kitchen feel like a relaxing retreat. Dusty greens and serene blues bring an airy feel, making the space look more open. Terracotta adds warmth and rustic charm, while creamy whites provide a timeless look. These colors can be used on cabinets, walls, or as accents through dishware and textiles. Incorporating these soft paint colors can transform your kitchen into a serene and welcoming space. Up next, we'll look at concealed storage solutions for a clean and organized kitchen. Now, let's discuss concealed storage solutions, a top trend for 2024 that combines style with practicality. These solutions help keep your kitchen organized and visually clutter-free. Concealed storage includes hidden compartments, pull-out pantries, and appliance garages. Imagine sleek cabinets hiding neatly organized pantries or appliance nooks. This approach keeps your countertops clear and maintains a clean, modern look. Pull-out pantries maximize storage space and accessibility, perfect for narrow areas. Appliance garages offer a dedicated space for items like coffee makers, which can be hidden when not in use. Nested drawers and magnetic knife strips inside cabinet doors are also great ways to keep everything tidy. These storage solutions not only improve functionality but also enhance the overall look of your kitchen by keeping clutter out of sight. In 2024, kitchen cabinet design trends are embracing smart integration, combining functionality, aesthetics, and technology seamlessly. Smart storage solutions like adjustable shelves and pull-out racks maximize space efficiently. Cabinets with sensors track supplies and adjust lighting, creating a perfect ambience. Integration of smart appliances like charging stations and tablet stands enhances convenience. With sleek designs and high-tech features like touchscreen displays and voice controls, smart integration is revolutionizing kitchen cabinets for a futuristic, intuitive kitchen experience. In 2024, kitchen cabinet trends are all about minimalist and modern designs. These designs prioritize clean lines, clutter-free surfaces, and high-quality materials like metals and natural finishes. Functionality is maximized with clever storage solutions and integrated appliances. Neutral color palettes and sleek hardware add to the timeless appeal of these cabinets, creating visually appealing and efficient kitchen spaces. In the realm of kitchen cabinet design for 2024, we're seeing a delightful embrace of green and red accents. This trend injects a burst of personality and vibrancy into kitchen spaces, elevating the overall aesthetic while maintaining a balance between functionality and style. Green accents bring a touch of nature indoors, creating a fresh and rejuvenating atmosphere in the kitchen. This can be achieved through the use of green cabinet fronts, backsplashes, or even accessories like plants and artwork. The color green is known for its calming and refreshing qualities, making it a perfect choice for kitchen environments. On the other hand, red accents add warmth, energy, and a sense of drama to kitchen cabinets. Whether it's through red cabinet handles, accent walls, or bold appliances, incorporating red elements creates a striking focal point in the kitchen. Red is a versatile color that can be used in various shades to suit different design styles, from contemporary to traditional. The key to successfully integrating green and red accents lies in balance and moderation. Pairing green and red accents with neutral tones like white, gray, or wood helps create a harmonious visual flow without overwhelming the space. It's about creating a dynamic contrast that enhances the overall appeal of the kitchen. Additionally, using green and red accents allows for personalization and customization, allowing homeowners to infuse their unique style and preferences into the kitchen design. Whether you prefer a subtle hint of green or a bold splash of red, there are endless possibilities to play with color and create a kitchen that reflects your personality. Exposed shelving is a prominent trend in 2024 kitchen cabinet design. It's about openness, functionality, and showcasing favorite kitchen items. It adds a sense of airiness and makes the kitchen feel inviting. This trend allows easy access to items, encourages organization, and offers opportunities for personalization with different materials and integrated technology. While stylish, it requires thoughtful curation for a tidy look. Overall, exposed shelving blends functionality and aesthetics, letting homeowners showcase their culinary passions in a stylish and organized way. In conclusion, the kitchen cabinet design trends for 2024 are a captivating blend of functionality, aesthetics, and innovative technology. From smart integration revolutionizing how we interact with our kitchen spaces to minimalist and modern designs offering sleek efficiency. And from the vibrant green and red accents adding personality to the rise of exposed shelving for curated displays. Each trend contributes uniquely to creating modern, personalized, and functional kitchens. These trends reflect a shift towards creating spaces that are not only visually appealing but also highly practical and tailored to individual preferences. Whether it's optimizing storage, incorporating smart features, or adding a pop of color, the 2024 kitchen cabinet design trends cater to a diverse range of needs and design sensibilities. Ultimately, the kitchen has evolved beyond being just a functional space. It has become a reflection of our lifestyle, personality, and technological advancements. The trends showcased in 2024 emphasize the importance of creating harmonious, efficient, and stylish kitchen environments that inspire creativity, convenience, and enjoyment for homeowners.